Hello viewers. We all use copy and paste in Excel, but most people only use a fraction of what it can actually do. In this video, I'll show you some cool hacks you can do in Excel using copy and paste. Let's start with copy and paste operations. Imagine you want to increase every price on this list by 10% without breaking any formulas that references the price. To do so, type 1.1 in any cell. Copy that value, select the range of price you want to increase. You can right-click and click on Paste Special, or use Ctrl Alt V to get to Paste Special. And under Paste Special, you have an Operations section. Click on Multiply and OK. And just like that, our prices are now increased by 10% without any formulas. Now, let's perform another operation. Say we want to decrease every quantity by 2 units. Again, we can type 2 in any cell, copy the value, select the range of cells we want to decrease the quantity, go to Paste Special, and click on Subtract, and click OK. You also have other operations like add and divide if you want to perform additions and division operations. And again, our quantity has been decreased by 2 units. Paste Special may also be used to merge two lists. Assume you have an original list and you have an updated list that contains changes to be made to the original list. Now, where you have blank values, you want to keep the original list as is for those cells. We can select the new updated list, press Ctrl C to copy, click on the start of the original list and go to Paste Special. And here you can select Skip Blanks. Excel will update only where data exists in the new list. And for the blank values, it will leave those cells as is in the original list. Now let's look at transposing data. Have you ever copied a table only to realize the rows should have been columns? We can fix that using a transpose. Copy the entire data set using a Ctrl C, and then click on Paste Special and select Transpose. Excel will transpose the data so that your columns becomes rows and rows becomes column without you losing any data or formats. Say you have two data sets formatted differently and you want to adjust the size of these columns to match the nicely formatted data sets. You can select the columns, go to Paste Special and paste only the column width. And just like that, the column width is updated. You may also select the nicely formatted data set and you can paste only the formats. And just like that, you have clean formatted data. Now, suppose we have these two tables and we want to copy the quantity from table 1 to table 2. The traditional copy and paste will copy the quantity as well as the formatting. If you want to copy just the quantity but maintain the format in table 2, you can use Paste Special and paste only the values. Paste values will paste just the numbers without any formulas or formatting. Now let's do that for the total cost as well. Copy the formula and on here, go to Paste Special again and click on just formulas. This will paste the formulas but maintain the already existing formatting in column I. There's a lot more you can do with Paste Special. You may copy data validations without copying the content of the data. And you can also copy comments without copying the content of the data. One important point to note is that you can combine multiple Paste Special options. Say I want to add these values to this column, and when it is blank, I don't want to add anything. I can copy, go to paste special, and then I want to paste only the values as I don't want to paste the formats. I want to do an add operation and I want to skip blanks, and I'll click OK. And just like that, the values in column E have been added to the price. Note that some of the paste special options are easily available, such as paste values, formulas, transpose, and formats. If you learned something new, hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more data and Excel tutorials. Keep mastering data, and I'll see you in the next lesson.